What's up guys, and welcome to the 12th tutorial of bash scripting, and in this tutorial it's all about bash loops or bash for loop. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so now cd desktop bash semicolon ls-l, see what we have available. Okay, touch for loop .sh nano for loop. Okay, exclamation mark with your hashtag bin bash. F in $ls var, and now do echo f $f, and then done. Save this, Control X, Y, enter. Cut down to the screen. This will give a list. You'll see what I did this in a moment. Okay, chmod +X, and there you go. We have a list of everything. Okay, we can also run this from the bash shell command line. I'm going to clear this for a minute and do bash. Okay, for f in $, ls var, do echo f, done. And there you go. The same thing when we put it in the nano text editor and we just run it from the command shell line. We use the for loop to generate all this garbage in the folders that we can't see. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.